We're using IMS all over the group for all opcos that need it, meaning we established an infrastructure with IMS, putting value-added services on top of it. And the key is that there are several value-added services. We use IMS as infrastructure for it. The service I mentioned in my talk today is a 1 over IP, which is the VoIP messaging converged communication service. We launched this initially 2007 in Austria, and meanwhile deployed it in Croatia, Slovenia, and also Bulgaria with different brand names, but basically it's the same technical service. Another issue in my presentation was that we save costs with IMS. That's right for us. It might not be right for each and every other opco. But we, for one member of Mobilkom Austria Group, we developed a packet-switched multi-ring solution, for instance, for a price point of about 10% compared to other solutions in circuit-switched areas or IN solutions. So if you can reuse IMS in several aspects, it definitely helps you save costs. If you do it, let's say, just for fun, under brackets, then definitely it will simply burn your money. Well, basically, we are not buying these applications off the shelf from any vendors. We have our visions and our strategy developed by Mobilkom Austria or by Mobilkom Austria Group. And we are following these ideas. So we definitely outsource the development of applications, but the ideas come out of our companies and out of the needs we have. So basically, if I'm an operator who simply needs a price-attractive VoIP solution, then I doubt IMS is the right choice for him, because then you can buy a soft switch or open source, even use open source software you can find on the internet. But if you want feature-rich converged communication services with carrier-grade aspects, 5 nines, etc., then definitely IMS is the choice. I think there are both sides of it. If you want to attack the residential market, IMS can be the right choice if you want to go into the directions of social networking, integration with Facebook, Xing, community platforms. Especially when, like we did it, you expanded IMS with presence server functionalities. On the corporate side, it's very attractive for companies because you have additional features we can offer. We know the present state of our phones. We can give this to customers. They can display it in their switchboard, stuff like this. So there are enhanced features, so we see potential there. So you can serve both markets with IMS. And in our case, it's converged, so we definitely serve both markets with the same IMS system. Basically, you're right, you can benefit from IMS even if you have any BIRA. It need not be HSPA. But when you mention the term LTE or fourth generation, you will definitely need something like IMS, because in these systems there is no circuit switched core anymore. There is no circuit switched, you are only in the IP world, and then you need some signaling routing instance, and IMS could be the right choice for that. We did not migrate, full stop. So for us, IMS was a completion of our portfolio against our customers, or towards our customers, sorry. So we still drive our GSM network, we still drive our UMTS network, and we are not in the short term planning to migrate any of these networks towards IMS. We are thinking about LTE. There was already a press release in Austria that we had a showcase. Of course, all these ideas and further steps are based on this IMS system. But it was no migration. In my opinion, that's exactly the key, and that's what we do. A1 over IP as the service I mentioned in my talk. When you call me on my mobile phone number, my mobile phone will definitely ring, plus my SIP account on the PC. So that's the key. And we, with our IMS system and the components around it and the applications, try to hide the complexity of identity management and all these technologies from the customer. So basically what we want to serve the customer is the possibility to communicate from A to B, no matter with which device, via which channel, which BIRA, whatever. This should be hidden from the customer in case he doesn't want to care about it. No, we have been a good team with our vendors, but definitely IMS is not very simple technology, so things are complex but manageable. And the most important thing is if you want to combine two clouds like circuit switched and packet switched, you have to do a lot of rerouting and you have to take care about loop prevention. So that's one of the trickiest parts in these projects. And you don't have to forget the psychological aspect that circuit switched guys have to work closely together with packet switched guys, and they have different ways of thinking and working. That's definitely an issue in projects, but that's interesting. To get more users, I think, is not so much the issue of the vendors. This should be the issue of the operators and of the users of the customers that buy IMS systems, be it ISPs or operators. What could be done by the vendors is, on the one hand side, we have again a handset issue, the same we had with UMTS. We have networks but no devices for it. On the other hand side, there is always a gap between standardization and realization in the products, and what misses currently, where we have to improve somehow, is monitoring and customer care. So KPIs, KQIs, the vendors very much focused on implementing what is written in the 3GPP standards and forgot about not forgot, but had no time to do the rest yet. So this has to be improved.